Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video let me show you how to add blood pressure to your Samsung Health app. Hi everyone, so you want to add blood pressure to your Samsung Health app. So to do that, here's how. You want to open your Samsung Health on your phone, go to the home screen, and then tap the manage items or scroll down to check if blood pressure is listed. If not visible, you want to tap manage items, go to add and then blood pressure and enable it on your dashboard. Once added, tap blood pressure from your home screen. You'll need a Galaxy Watch with blood pressure monitoring like Galaxy Watch 4 or the newer version that's calibrated with a cuff style monitor. You want to open the Samsung Health Monitor app on your watch, measure your blood pressure, and the result will sync automatically to your Samsung Health application. So to add manually, you want to tap add data and then enter your systolic, diastolic, and pulse rate followed by the date or time. Lastly, you want to tap save and your blood pressure record will be stored in the app for tracking and reports.